So again, city county officials have now confirmed the first case of the COVID-19 Delta variant for Nueces County. This week, Nueces County health officials had been saying we were taking steps backwards in safety protocols.
Yeah, this all prompted health leaders to address the public earlier today. Our Ashley Gonzalez was there and has this report.
Nueces County officials hosted a COVID-19 press conference after seeing a major spike in hospitalizations and ICU patients.
I think yesterday we were at 77 hospitalizations, when a few days ago we were below 30. We were probably closer to 22, 23 hospitalizations in a day.
Health officials say COVID-19 is spreading throughout the community faster than in the past.
Something different is happening, and probably it's a variant that's here, and we believe it to be the Delta.
On top of the uptick, there's another dangerous trend officials are noticing.
The problem is that we probably had vaccinated people with unvaccinated people that were not wearing their mask.
Rodriguez says families only hurt themselves when members don't social distance or wear a mask if they choose not to get vaccinated.
I did a contact trace maybe 2 days ago, and 7 members in the household all positive.
She says getting vaccinated does not prevent a COVID infection, but it can help the chances of not getting hospitalized. But Texas is not exactly leading in that area, and it shows.
Texas, Missouri, and Florida are among 3 states in the nation with amongst the lowest COVID-19 vaccination rates.
Ashley Gonzalez, 3 News.
By the way,